One of the toughest decisions CIOs face today is this: do we upgrade our existing Oracle systems or do we rebuild everything from scratch? And the stakes are really high. Millions of dollars, years of efforts, business continuity risks. Most organizations do not get this decision right. In this video, across Oracle environments, whether it's forms, EBS, or legacy databases, we consistently see systems built 10 to 20 years ago. High maintenance costs, limited scalability on cloud, difficult integrating with modern apps. Modernization is not about technology, it's about freeing up capacity for growth. Reach out or follow for more insights like this. Thank you.